Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a radial graph as you see here. If I just change number here to 56, directly it changes. For example, this one to 80, you see how it changed? Yes, let's create a radial graph like this. Okay, first I delete this one. Let's add the numbers. For example, I add 0.45, 0.70. Then select these two column from here. Make it percent. Great. This one equal sign 100% minus this one. Good. Double click on this. It's great. Now just select it, all the data. Then from insert, go to pie, more pie charts. This one, select it, this one. Okay. Select the title and delete. Select the legend and delete. Great. Now select one donut. For example, I select this donut, then right click, format data series, change this one to 25%. Great. Now just select this one, double click on it, make sure it's selected, come to here, change it to white, this one white. Now I can change the color for this one. Okay, double click on it, I change to this color. This one I change it to this color. This one for this. Okay, now bring a text. Insert text, font 1, font 4, put it here. Okay, control copy, control V. Okay, now if I change the data, for example, to 50, you see directly it changes. For 45, this one 30, for example, this one 25. It is done. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.